Hi! Tuesday is StampTV Day, and today I'm going to share with you some tips when buying a home in Boca Raton, Florida. I'm Kristin Stampini. Now, let's get started. Investing in real estate property, whether big or small, is a big life decision, and it entails a lot of processes that will cost you your precious time and your resources. You need to follow the right channels and get professional help when making some decisions that are hard to deal with on your own. It may be hard or easy depending on several factors, all of which play a major role in financial property investment. So, start your research early as soon as you can and start reading websites, newspapers, magazines, whatever online in real estate listings, and make a note of particular homes you are interested in and see how long they will stay on the market. In today's market, it's crazy. Most homes have multiple offers, if they're good, priced right in the first day or two. So you want to figure out how much home you can afford. Lenders generally recommend that people look for homes that cost more than 3 to 5 times their annual household income. So if a home buyer's plan is to make and put 20% down and have a moderate amount of other debt, if you do, analyze your income first, making any investment decisions, and avoid getting yourself into pitfalls that you could maybe experience later. You want to make sure that you get pre-qualified, approved credit, mortgage, and if you have to work on something, you want to do it now. So that you want to happen beforehand. Also, the best way to get pre-qualified, a lot of the time, your agent, agents don't cost you personally anything, and they usually have good people that they can refer you to that can help you out. You got to find the right real estate agent, the one that you know is really going for bat, really helping you out. All agents are not the same. A lot of real estate agents, they're just going to send you a bunch of stuff on the MLS, and they actually don't communicate well. So make sure that you're looking for the right agent that fits your needs and also communicates well and is very knowledgeable in the market. And then you start touring homes in your price range. It might be helpful to take notes on the homes that you visit and just keep always a couple of the homes that you really like in the running. Get rid of all the rest of them, or it gets really too confusing. In our market today, though, it's so hot. If you don't make an offer immediately, that home probably will not be available later on unless that home that you're looking for has been on the market for a long time. So if it's something new to the market, or if it's something just, on the market and it's a great price and it's in a great location, I'm going to tell you that that home in today's market will probably have multiple offers and will sell within the first couple days. So I hope those tips were good for you when purchasing a new home. Thank you for joining me today at StampTV. Please follow me next week for more videos on Tuesday, and subscribe to my channel and press the icon button. Thanks for joining me today. See you soon.